God, I pray that you anoint my words, anoint my mind and my heart, my vibration, to be able to show up in service and support people in finding you within themselves. I want to talk a little bit about self-love. Self-love is not just feeling good about yourself. Self-love isn't just saying nice things in your head about yourself and doing positive affirmations. All that plays a part, for sure. But self-love is action. It's about taking care of yourself, tending to yourself, showing up in your life as a participant, fully engaged and committed to your process. Self-love is saying yes when it's appropriate for you to say yes, and saying no when it's appropriate for saying no. Self-love is not letting comfort and pleasure get in the way of you living on purpose and coming alive as who you came to earth to come alive as. Self-love is doing the work necessary to clear out the pain and the trauma that was placed in your heart by where your parents fell short in your life. Self-love is learning how to communicate with your people, your friends, your family, your coworkers, yourself. Is learning how to communicate so that you can properly express the essence of your soul and assert boundaries where you need to assert boundaries in your life. Self-love is getting clear on your values. What do you value in life? If I were to ask you, what are your top 5 values? Can you rattle them off? Self-love is doing everything in your power to leave that dead-end job that is not serving you and coming alive in your soul. Self-love is meditation. Self-love is making sure you sweat daily. Self-love is drinking enough water. Self-love is not using anxiety and stress to accomplish things in your life. Self-love is doing your part to take care of the earth, because you are the earth. You're made up of it. Self-love is letting go of judgment of yourself and others. Self-love is asking for help when you need help. Self-love is reading the back of food labels and considering what's in it before you eat it. Self-love is investing money in your mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. Self-love is knowing when it's time to surrender and when it's time to take charge. Self-love is just doing you and learning how to do you better and better and better and better. Self-love is having compassion for yourself when you fall short of your goals. Self-love is having goals. Self-love is having a relationship with spirit. And self-love is just knowing what self-love looks like for you. This is my list, and I hope it has been a useful mirror for you in your life. I invite you to keep it going in the comments below. Put self-love is ... whatever self-love is to you. Let us know. My name is Gordon Xavier. I'm a transformational life coach, and I support people in consciously communicating and cultivating self-love. If you like more support or you would like to connect, you can go to my website, evolvethroughlove.org, and check out some of the content I have on there. And if you like additional support, you can book a 1-hour free reflection session with me, where I do a lot of listening and reflecting and supporting you in connecting to what's blocking you in your life from optimally loving yourself. If that interests you, evolvethroughlove.org, and I'd be happy to support you. Thanks for watching.